here's what the box comes in. You have a receipt and you have these plastic black packaging material. I'm going to take the palette out. Here's the first one. And here's the second one. I'm going to put the box away and let's take a look at how the palette looks like. Alright, so here are the two palettes. I'm so excited for these palettes. I woke up early just to get them, and I got them in a set, so they were discounted. And let's see. I'm not sure where the name... Oh, here we go. This is the Mothership VIII Divine Rose 2, and we got the Mothership VII Divine Rose. So let's open up number 7 first. It comes in this gorgeous light pink package. And here is the insertion of the names here. Let's see. Here are the shades. Very pretty. Wow. I will do swatches of these probably soon. That is so pretty. That's what the back looks like. It's gold. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I even did my nails pink to match this unboxing. Okay, that is number 7, and here are the shades here. Okay, let's unbox the new baby. Number 8, Divine Rose 2. Wow. It's like a darker rose gold, metallic, very reflective, almost like a mirror-like finish. Extremely reflective. Wow. Oh yeah, that's very reflective. Let's take a look at this one. And these packaging are so hardy. Fingerprint-wise, it does leave fingerprints, but it's gorgeous. You can just wipe that off. Wow. Alright. Take a look at the shades here. That is gorgeous. Let's take a look at that under flash. I think this shade is the one that everyone's crazy about for its dual chrome quality. But here are the shades. And let me give you a look of number 7 under flash. So the layout of these are very similar. I think in both you get 2 mattes, and the rest are either metallics or Pat McGrath's special finishes. Here are the palettes side by side. I believe these are no longer available for sale at the moment, and these are limited edition and exclusive for the Pat McGrath website. So I'm not sure if they're gonna bring it back, but hopefully they do, because these are gorgeous. Here's a close-up of the shades. But yeah, I can already see some similarities. I'm not going to swatch them yet. I will soon in my next video. That completes today's unboxing. I really hope you look forward to my next video of swatches. I'm going to try to dupe some shades with my existing Pat McGrath palettes if I can. So that'll be fun. Here are the packaging again. It's gorgeous. Alright. Thank you for watching.